Hey! Hello, hi. Today we're gonna be downloading an emulator and trying to get it to work. Maybe doing some special stuff with it. But yeah, that's about it for this one. I just really curious about emulators, so I'm gonna do something with it. Yeah. Right, I'm going to first look up on the internet how to do that, so I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. And well, I worked a bit off screen and I found this Chip 8 emulator code, or this guy had made a little site for it and really explained a lot. So, I tried following him through it, but I don't know if my Rust or the programming language I was using for this, which is called Rust, which was what he was using, is because it's a different version. It just doesn't have the same stuff, but hey, I spent like 2 hours and it doesn't work. So that's fun. Um, I did see on the same site though something about a Python Game Boy um, emulator, and well, I guess I'm gonna try that now because this has led to a dead end, which is fun. I will be back. All right, we're back, and um, I it looks really promising. I think I got it working, and let's see. It looks really good for this one. Um, I'll show you real quick what I did and how I did it. I went to this thing called I went to this GitHub for something called PyBoy, and let's see, I just installed it, which I mean, this took a while for some reason. I did many very stupid things, but see, the first thing is the main thing we'll be using is actually not coding, but the PowerShell because we have to download certain things. So I will be here's the PowerShell. All right. So I will be doing this. .exe. Alright, that's your first line that you have to do. Oops, I don't know why I did that. That's your first line, is just going to the GitHub, finding, not GitHub, it's python.org. Downloading Python if you don't have Python. You don't have to do this one if you don't have Python. So that's cool. And then, let's see, then type in this, bang. And that's next thing you type in. Okay. Next thing you need to do is this is the main thing. Also, if you had to do that Python, you may need to restart the PowerShell, open and close it again, close it and open it again. But next we need to download SDL2, or as some people call it, the Simple Direct Media Layer. And they also have this on the thing. That thing you need. What you need to do, go back to your PowerShell, type in this, type in zip. There you go. So you're downloading straight from libsdl.org to get the SDL to, right? Alright, so next thing, on to the next one, as I say. We go here, and we are basically now going to, that's back, I don't want that back. And now we're going to make basically a folder in our C drive. You can always just change that C to a different drive if you want to, but that's what I'm doing for this one. Alright, next, this is important. I had a lot of trouble with this because I didn't realize when now we're setting the SDL2.dll path to this, during our code it needs the SDL2 to run properly, PyBoy, and so to make that work, you have to set them in the same directory, the same file area. So for me, I just put the program in the C drive, like directly in just the main area, and the SDL in that same area, the SDL folder, and that got to work. But if you have the program in a different file, different area, it's not going to work. And the next thing is we set this path. So we just set the path to that path, but now we're actually setting the path to the SDL2. It's a little weird. But then, bang, you should be done with that. You can close and reopen it, and then, let's see. Oh yeah, you still have to install PyBoy. Okay, so just close and reopen it to make all those changes available. And then you can do python.m pip install upgrade user pip. And then our last one is going to be this. Yay. Python.m pip install -- user PyBoy. Once you do that, you should be ready to go back. But yeah, that's about it for downloading and stuff. It took me 2 hours somehow to do this. Don't ask. But yeah. Yeah, alright. So now that we have all that downloaded, we can use this code that I found. It's just from PyBoy. Import PyBoy. Yeah. And then PyBoy equals PyBoy. Then this is where you find your Game Boy, your .gb, and put it in here. I have it in ROMs, under ROMs. And so Link's Awakening.gb, wow, old game, huh? And then while not pyboy.tick pass, so it won't close. So if we check this out, we execute it, bang, bang, wow, that's so cool. It's Link's Awakening. Isn't that grand? I've never played this game before, but hey, let's do it. Yeah. And well, there you go. If you want to sit here and watch me play Link's Awakening, we can do that. Okay. Bang. There you go. Okay. Whoa, it's happening again. Yeah. I press enter. Wow. Let's name him. Let's name him. What should we name him? Not that. No. Alright, let's name him Beef. Let's go, Beef. Yeah, Beef. Alright. There you go. It's done. That took me way too long, but yeah. It's easy once you get to know it, but you have to find the right code and do everything correctly. I unfortunately did that Chip Boy, tried to do it, and failed for about 2 to 4 hours, I can't remember. But found this and it looks good. I want to try and maybe do something of my own like this in the future. But yeah, thanks for watching.